Hello, welcome back to the channel Mad Crypto. Today I'm going to be giving you 6 tips if you're getting into crypto or even if you're already in the crypto world. My first tip for you would be to diversify your investments. You'd hear this a lot in the regular stock market, but I think it's even more important in the cryptocurrency world, as the cryptocurrency world is far more risky. We've seen coins skyrocket, plummet, skyrocket again, and also some that have never come back. As well as diversifying your investments, I think you should diversify where you make those investments. As in the past, we've seen some platforms and exchanges get hacked. They put your funds on hold, and some have turned out to be outright scams. So that's why diversifying your investments is my first crypto tip. And that brings me on to my second crypto tip. Watch out for scams. There has been so many scams in the crypto world, and it just takes a quick Google search to find out. Let's type cryptocurrency scams into Google and let's see what we can find. Okay, you can see here, inundated with search results. Here, the second one down, Bitcoin fraud scheme scams 75-year-old out of life savings. And my third tip is to only invest money that you're willing to lose. The crypto world is extremely volatile, and 1 second your investment could be gone up 10x times, and the next second it could be on the floor. My next tip is about leverage and to be careful with it. On a lot of cryptocurrency platforms, the leverage rates are ridiculous. Some of them go up to 100x, and this is just absolute lunacy to be playing with. On regular trading platforms in the ordinary stock market, you might see 2x, 3x, 5x, but you'd never see the likes of leverage rates you would get in the crypto world. One bad trade and all your money could be gone. My last tip of this video is to do your own research. Don't take information from one source like myself or just one other YouTuber or a website. Use that as a springboard to do your own research. A lot of people take a little bit of information, even sometimes out of context, from one place. They run with it and they end up losing big time. So very important, do your own research. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you.